So this is a short video showing a couple tips and tricks using Blender 2.5. So I want to show you how the panels work here. So let's say you had the panels out this way and this way, and then you might have some issues. Oop, where did that go? Oh, now I have too many of these. So just a quick understanding of how the panels work. So if your panels, you want to get them back to the way you wanted, what you want to do is you want to grab these diagonal lines, and if you click, hold, and drag towards the direction, you'll see an arrow kind of appears, a shadowed arrow. So if you let go and release, it kind of shifts over and overrides that panel that you were looking at. So if you wait, you can kind of shift these over. These ones up here. If I shift down, it's going to make a new one, a duplicate of the previous panel that I started with. So if I do this again, I'm going to get another duplicate. And that makes it convenient so that once you have these panels, you can kind of choose what you want displayed here. So I can click on, right now I'm in Properties, click Outliner, and I can, when I want to get rid of a panel, again, I can hold and drag from the direction that it came from, like so. Drag this one up. Okay. So usually what you want here, the default is the outliner, and then the bottom one here, this is properties. Okay. And also you can change what's going on in the middle. Changing these. If you really wanted to, you can look at properties here. So every panel, you can access what other panels are currently showing, depending on where you want them on the screen. Thanks for watching.